it is clear. Sometimes online is going 7x up from here. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm in a pipe 5x5, a lot better than I was yesterday. So I'm happy to report that although I didn't get enough sleep last night, I did take some power up juice. So I'm ready to go, better fighting position than I was yesterday. So I'm glad to be here and glad to provide you with some excellent quality show for today. I'm also going to be on the Moon Show, so make sure you check that out. We're going to be talking about Solana, of course, today, and maybe talk a little bit about Bitcoin, and then do some TA at the end of the show. So make sure you watch all the way to the end. And if you're interested, make sure you hit the subscribe, hit the like, and also head over to Bybit.DaVinciJ15.com, where you can get up to $30,000 deposit bonus if you're a new subscriber. So $30,000. That's it. There you go. Okay. I do this live, and if you're interested in watching me do this live, you can do so by subscribing at DaVinciJ15.com. When I find some good quality projects that good for you to invest in, you will find out in my group, private group. I don't do a lot, but when I find them, there you go. We have Org, we have WAFFLES, we have some PayPay as well. Good quality projects. Yes, things are a little down, but nothing goes up in a straight line. We will see these coins rise again. It may take some time, but they will come heavy and hard. So this gives you an opportunity to buy low and sell high. Okay. This is the news for the week, and you can find this out in my public Telegram group. The link is going to be in the description below. Okay, so just in, PUMP.FUN accrued 0.1% of Solana supply via platform fees since its creation, holding 80 million in their fees. 50% is in USDC and another 50% in SOL. Wow, impressive. Nice. That's how much power Solana has. Okay, over here, explosive growth or speculative surge. Solana's active addresses soar as Fire Dancer upgrade looms. Okay, so quick take. Let's see here. The meme coin mania on Solana has been double-edged sword. The following is an excerpt from the Block Data Insight newsletter, okay? Let's see here. The network hit a staggering all-time high of 54.33 million active addresses in July. Jesus. A meteoric rise from the 21 million at the start of 2024. Jesus. That's 151% in just 7 months, paints a picture of explosive growth. The meme coin mania on Solana has been double-edged sword. While undoubtedly driving user engagement, it's also stirring up controversy. The launch of tens of thousands of new coins each week has become both a calling card and a point of criticism for the network. Yes, a lot of people hating the fact that, the PUMP.FUN, right, that's pumping out a whole bunch of coins that always pump and go to zero. Pump and go to zero. So yeah, be careful out there. The numbers are impressive, but they don't tell the whole story. As discussed in previous newsletters, the quality of activity matters as much as the quantity. Are these new addresses representative of long-term use or short-term speculators chasing the next meme pump? Well, I mean, whether it is the short-term speculators or or long-term people, it's here for quite some time. We're going to see Solana, do something crazy as go up to $1,000, like Ethereum did. Why? Well, because the network is very useful for tools, and there's a lot of people with meme coins there, and because the meme coins, people build tools like WAFFLES has done, right? We're building lots of tools with the Waffles coin. So check that out on our website, right? If you click on the Waffles website, right, links in the description, and you can find out more about all the tools that we've developed, right, for Waffles token. So on Solana. So we're going to continue to do so because this is where people are going to go. And so you want to be able to participate in that. And this is what's going to expand the ecosystem of Solana heavily. Why? It's because, well, if people are there for the meme coins, and then there's tools to help them get into meme coins, these tools are going to go on to other projects as well and used for other projects, maybe some more solid projects in the future. So you can't say that Solana is not going to do well because of this, right? Everybody's there. 50 million people are actively using it. So more and more tools are going to be built on Solana, and we're going to see it explode heavily. Bitcoin faces largest downtrend of cycle, says Glassnode. Yes. Okay, so Bitcoin is down probably in the largest cycle, but also as the crypto market faces the biggest down cycle, long-term investors are increasing holding onto their assets, and analysis says. So yeah, I mean, you want those paper hands to sell you some Bitcoin? It ain't happening. We ain't paper hands here. And if you are a paper hand, well, why don't you just buy an ETF? And not hold any Bitcoin, because there you go. You'll be guaranteed some dollars from the government. That gets to print a whole bunch. Okay. All right, let's do some TA. As I said, this looked like a bull flag, and yes, we're breaking out here. So we could say that, Bitcoin could go as high as, well, we could either take this long pull and then see that it's, again, back up to 71K, right? Which is not out of the question here. And if we take a look at the Ethereum, it is the same, pretty much the same picture. We can say, okay, boom and boom, and then we're back up to in the 3,200 range. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we come up to the 3352 area as the target. So that's what we're looking for both Ethereum and Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Solana. Well, Solana has clearly set a base of $130, and we right now in the middle of no man's land and trying to decide which way it wants to go. But usually when we create this kind of basing here, usually, especially when we have strength, fundamental strength, right? When we do this in between a channel, eventually this is going to break into something very heavy. So we could see this do something like, right? And as we go up, let's do a 4-to-1. Oh, there it is. It's on there. Okay. So we could see $500 as the target here, which is a cool next stop target after we break past $270. So yeah, wouldn't be surprised if it does something like that and goes even higher than that. Another day, we'll take a look at that and see how far this thing can go with the Fibonacci retracement if we retrace to the previous high. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.